Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back to Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, we are learning chapter number 12. That is the Siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughal Emperor. Okay. Now, till yesterday we have learned this much. This much part we have learned. The Siege of Purandar. Okay. Now, half is remain. The treaty with the Mughal Emperor. Okay, so that one we have to learn today. I hope all of you have learned yesterday's word meanings. You have completed it. Okay, when we will call you in the school, at that time your notebook should be complete. Okay, so from today only be punctual for your work. Now open your textbook, page number 47, chapter number 12, page number 47. Now very interesting part is remain. Okay, and after that what will Shivaji Maharaj will do, that we have to learn in the next lesson. Okay, next lesson is very interesting. Okay, and you should know the interesting fact how Shivaji Maharaj released himself from the custody of Aurangzeb. If you want to learn it, okay, if you want to learn it, you have to complete this chapter first. So listen carefully and learn it. Okay, so today, just a minute. Now see page number 47, Treaty of Purandar. See, what could be, okay, first I should explain meaning of treaty to you. What is meant by treaty? Okay, so you can see here a written agreement between two or more groups or countries. A written agreement between two or more groups or countries. Okay, that is called treaty. Means whatever we are doing, whatever things we are deciding, that we are doing with a concrete proof written agreement. Okay, that is called treaty. Okay, now which type of treaty they have done here? Okay, which two groups are here now? Here we have mentioned two or more groups. So in which two groups we are making a treaty? So see, first group is of Shivaji Maharaj, that is Swaraj. Okay, and second one is Aurangzeb Badshahs, that is Mughal Emperor. Okay, so this treaty is going to happen between, it was happened between these two groups. That is called treaty. Okay, so now treaty of Purandar. Which forts treaty they are doing? Purandar forts. Okay, now see how it is. See what could be done. He was not strong enough to fight the powerful Mughals. See, he was not powerful enough. Who was not powerful? Shivaji Maharaj and his Maulas to fight with Mughals. All his political skill was also of no avail. All his political skills. Whose political skills? Shivaji Maharaj's political skills are of no avail. No avail. Avail means what? See, avail means benefits. Means whatever political skills Shivaji Maharaj had, that were not of use this time. Okay, only of this time. So avail means benefit. There was only one thing he could do, and there was only one thing he could do. What was that thing? Let's see. He decided on a temporary withdrawal from the fight. What he decided? Temporary withdrawal. Withdrawal means we should come out from that thing. Withdrawal. Okay, withdraw. This word is used in the bank. We have to withdraw money from the bank. Withdraw money from the bank means they are giving us money. For we used to take it out our money from that bank. That is called withdrawal. Okay, so here withdrawal from the fight means whatever fight is going on, from that fight we should come out. Okay, withdrawal. Or simple thing. It will go out of our syllabus, but I would like to tell you. See, when we are playing on ground, suppose running race you are playing, you are catching to each another. That game you are playing. In Marathi we used to say pakda pakdi. Okay, and when you tired while running, you tired, what you are saying? Time please, time please. Yes, here you are touching your tongue and you are saying time please. Okay, so you want some time to settle yourself and again you are starting playing. Okay, time please means what? Suppose I am catching to you and you will say sir time please. Okay, then if I will catch you, you will not be out. Okay, when your game will start, that time again I will catch you, then you will out. Okay, like this we are taking time please. Okay, that means we are also taking temporary withdrawal from the game. So like this, in this way Shivaji Maharaj wanted to take temporary withdrawal from the fight. So see what he decided. He would enter into a treaty with the Mughal emperor, and so he entered into a treaty with the Mughal emperor. So he decided to make treaty with the Mughal emperor. He went and saw Jai Singh, and so Shivaji Maharaj went and he saw Jai Singh. Who was Jai Singh? Mirza Raje Jai Singh. This was a very sensible and statesman-like thing to do. This was very sensible, okay, and statesman-like thing to do. Statesman-like thing means, see this word is very big. Statesman-like. Three words are made. It's combination of these three words. Statesman-like means political. Okay, come in. Okay, so see, statesman-like means political. So this thing is very sensible and statesman-like thing to do. He said to Jai Singh, Mirza Raje, you are a Rajput. Who was Mirza Raje Jai Singh? He was a Rajput. So he said, Mirza Raje, you are a Rajput. You can understand our suffering. And you can understand our suffering means our situation, how we are going, in which situation we are going. That's what suffering. The emperor's campaigns means expedition. Okay, the emperor's campaigns means expedition have led the country west and people are in great misery. Have led the country west and people are in great misery means because of this campaign expedition people are in great sorrow. Misery means sorrow. Okay, people are in great sorrow. I have undertaken this task of establishing Swaraj so that people may be happy. What he said, that I have undertaken the task to establishing Swaraj so people were happy. Sorry, why he took the task to establish Swaraj? To make people happy. But now people are suffering from great sorrow, and so he could not see that thing. So what he decided? See, so you should join me in this uphill task. You should join me in this uphill task. Okay, we don't have to take your word meaning in translated thing. Uphill task means they are not going on hill. Okay, uphill task means in this difficult situation you have to join me. Who should join him? Mirza Raje Jai Singh, who was Rajput. If you agree to lead us, myself and my Mavlas will be your trusted followers. And what Mirza Raje Jai Singh, what Shivaji Maharaj said to him, if you are agreed to lead us, myself means Shivaji Raje, myself and my Mavlas will be your trusted followers. Means you can trust on us. Okay, trusted followers. Jai Singh was a shrewd diplomat. Shrewd means, see here, place was enough, place was not sufficient, so I have written here. Shrewd means clever, and diplomat means also clever. So Mirza Raj Jai Singh was very diplomat person. He persuaded Shivaji to sign a treaty of peace with the emperor, And see, this Mirza Raje persuaded means convinced Shivaji Maharaj a treaty of peace with the emperor. So he convinced Shivaji Maharaj a treaty of peace with the emperor. And Shivaji signed the treaty, and according to its terms, Shivaji signed the treaty, and according to its term, you can see in the picture, page number 48. To the right side, Shivaji Maharaj is sitting, and to the left side, Mirza Raje Jai Singh is sitting, and they are having discussion. Okay, so see in that Shivaji signed the treaty according to its terms. What were the terms? See, 23 forts and a territory with a revenue of 4 lakh homes, and 23 forts and a territory with a revenue of 4 lakh homes. How much revenue they have given? 4 lakh homes. Homes means a golden coin. How much? 4 lakh. Were to be handed over to the emperor. Okay. The Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665. And when this treaty was signed? In the year 1665. After the treaty was signed, Jai Singh suggested to Shivaji that he should go to Agra and see the emperor. And see, after the treaty was signed, this Mirza Raja Jai Singh suggested Shivaji Maharaj what? That he should go to Agra. Where he should go? He should go to Agra in Aurangzeb's court. In the Aurangzeb's court. For what? To Agra and see the emperor. For what? To see the emperor. He also guaranteed Shivaji's safe return, and Mirza Raje guaranteed that about Shivaji Maharaj safety. Safely he will come, return to his Swaraj or his Maharashtra. Shivaji thought over the suggestion, and Shivaji Maharaj thought over this suggestion. He knew that emperor could not be trusted, and he knew that this Aurangzeb emperor, he could not be trusted. He knew that emperor could not be trusted. He had proved treacherous to his own brothers. Treacherous means, see, here I am giving meaning. Treacherous means disloyal. Emperor shown treacherous means disloyal to his own brothers, his real brothers. But in the end, Shivaji decided to take risk and face the situation as cautiously as he could. And at the last, Shivaji Maharaj decided to take a risk and face the situation as cautiously. Costly means, see here I can, costly means attentively. Costly means attentively, means securely, as he could. Okay. He informed Jai Singh that he was willing to go to Agra to meet the emperor, and Shivaji Maharaj informed Mirza Raje Jai Singh that he is willing to meet emperor, and so he is ready to go to Agra. Like this message he gave to Mirza Raje Jai Singh. Okay, so now see, it is very big risk to go to the enemy's court. Okay, emperor, Mughal emperor, they are enemies of Swaraj. Okay, so it is very risk to go in their emperor. If we will go there and if they will not allow us to go out, then it will be risk. Yes, and Shivaji Maharaj knew this thing, that it will be risk if we will go in the emperor's court. If he will not allow us to return, then what to do? Okay, so like this big risk was there. Even that Shivaji Maharaj had decided to face the risk, and he decided to face the situation cautiously. Okay, so now he is ready to go to Agra, and like this message he gave to Mirza Raje Jai Singh. Singh. So now Mirza Raja Jai Singh will inform to Aurangzeb Badshah. Okay, like this. So now here this chapter is completed. Treaty with the Mughal Emperor, that is also completed. A treaty means a written agreement between two or more groups or in countries. Understood? Now we have to see Shivaji Maharaj will go to Agra. So what will happen? Whether Aurangzeb Badshah respect to Shivaji Maharaj or he disrespect to Shivaji Maharaj, he allow Shivaji Maharaj to return to Maharashtra or he did not allow him to go to Maharashtra, then what if he did not allow, then what Shivaji Maharaj did, how he escaped himself from that Agra. Okay, all the things we have to learn in the next chapter. If you want to learn, so be with me. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the new chapter. Thank you very much. Now today's homework, these 10 word meanings are given. You have to learn all the meanings wholeheartedly. Okay, and copy them twice in your notebooks. Means 10 words are there, so it will come 20. Okay, thank you very much.